Now, Mark, you're in the Denmark team, another international team here at the World Dodgeball Championships. Have you taken this seriously? You're fully committed to it? Been having nice early nights to make sure you're ready for the battle ahead?
Do I look committed? Look in my eyes.
Now, there's one player in particular.
It's Daniel.
Daniel, is it?
He's just, he's a bit drunk still. I think so.
So this is him getting absolutely in the zone. He's absolutely in the zone. Yeah. I hear that he's your star player.
Yeah, he's the star player.
How are you, mate?
I'm fine. I'm just a little tired.
You're a little tired. You're the star player. You need to fire up.
I'm mentally warming up. Yeah.
That's good. How did you find out about the championships? How did you put your team together?
Actually, we're from the Royal Danish Naval Academy. And we won this television competition we had in Denmark. It was television coverage, and we won. There were 8 teams, and the prize was a trip to Vegas to the World Championship.
Fantastic!
So we just won the television program. We have a girl in our team, but she's actually one of our top players.
We don't know how this game is played, you know.
Oh, but you're in the World Championships.
Yeah.
But we have different rules in Denmark.
In Denmark, we only play with one ball.
Only one ball?
Yeah.
Okay, well that makes it different because there's 6 here.
Yeah, so we don't know anything about it.
Well, we're the same. We had our first game yesterday.
I feel drunk.